Yo, what's going on? Hi, Lachlan. Hi, Lachlan. He's so cute. He's sick. But he's doing much better. As soon as he wakes up, he's much better. And then a little bit later, you start hearing the snot in the back of his throat. What are you doing over there?
I'm still putting together this thing.
Speak up, people can't hear you.
I'm still putting together this thing.
What's that thing?
It's like a little table shelf thing for the bathroom. Because we have no countertops in our bathroom. And minimal storage. Which is fine until you have a baby.
Who wants to get into everything? Well, this is our one take Sunday. There's supposed to be like a huge storm coming in, and we're supposed to get like a foot of snow. I don't know. It's like 61 degrees out right now, and there's not a cloud in the sky. But we could be wrong.
It is Oklahoma.
It is Oklahoma.
It's Oklahoma. It's ridiculous. Is what it is.
But I took some befores video outside. That way, if something crazy does happen and we get a foot of snow, then it'll be easy to, or it'll be nice to compare. But I don't know. I just have a hard time thinking. I think the news stations just want, what is it called? Attention. No. Is it sweeps? It might be because the Oscars are on. I don't know. Anybody watching the Oscars right now? I was watching part of it online. It was entertaining, but I kind of got bored. I think that's what happens whenever it's like a 2-hour award ceremony.
Like,
who cares?
Yeah.
I'd rather watch the highlights tomorrow on YouTube.
I only care about what people wore. And Daily Grace will probably. That's probably be what she talks about in the next day or two.
Daily Grace is gonna judge you on what you wore. Yeah, I like that. Copyright, took it from you. Sorry, Dick Grace.
No, I think it's the similar tune, but it's something else. I think it's reviewing, something reviewing. So.
Ding! Alright. Well, this video's gone on long enough. Hope everyone's having a great day. I hope the people you wanted to win won. I don't think I've seen any of the movies for the Academy Awards, so we just don't watch as many movies as we used to.
It's hard to go to the movies with a baby.
Really
So. Whoa. Are you not feeling good? You can see it in his little eye.
You can. Look, he's telling me not to record him.
Dad.
Alright, well, we're going to have some dinner, put together this thing, and probably call it a night and see if it snows. See if it blizzards. Everyone, be safe.